The 3-axis laser engraver built to conquer every shape. Introducing the EM Smart AXI. Engraving profound depth in metal. Crafting texture in art. Defining detail and precision. Go beyond the possible. Want more complex surface engraving? Not just a shape, but a challenge accepted. Every detail, capture reality. From the hand, a world seamlessly leaps into the digital realm. Powered by dynamic autofocus system. Dressing the form with its true identity. A landscape dreamed and then made true. Flowing effortlessly across spheres, slopes, stepped surfaces, and complex contours beyond. Want precision marking? Select your material. Tap once, the Galvo system takes over. Every contour traced with intention. In that silence, wonderful creation begins. Want deep engraving on curved surfaces? No problem. A button, a coin, done in a heartbeat. Beyond that, there's more. Dual lasers with fiber and diode. Mastering all materials. Metal, stainless steel, acrylic, stone, wood, leather. Can handle it with ease. Cutting? Never an issue. From precision to creation. This is EM Smart AXI. Insight for designers. Trust by engineers. The future of artists. The essential 3D engraving partner for every creator.